Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sofi Windiarti, and I'm from Economics Education State University of Jakarta. Today, I would like to say thank you for coming to present my test proposal, the title, The Influence of Marketing Strategies, Cashless Payments, and Bilateral on Impulse Buying and Financial Inclusion of Application User, Shopee and Gojek in Jakarta. Okay, we start with it. Chapter 1 of Introduction. The Chapter 1 Introduction consists our background, research purpose, formulation of the problem, benefit or of research. First of all, I want to explain introduction, first background, and the industrial revolution and technology advance have changed people's pattern and lifestyle with their present, which makes everything easier, more instant, effective, and more economical than before the existence of information technology. So, information technology and the internet become a bridge in achieving goal in the field of economics, education, and political. One of them in the field of economics and banking, which changes financial transaction by relying on technology in a non-cash payment system, or what is called cashless payment. You know what? Cashless payment, according to law no more to 2003 of 1993 concerning Bank Indonesia article 1 to number is system which include a set of rules, instructions, and mechanisms used to carry out the transfer of funds to fulfill an obligation arising from an economic activity. And then the existence of Shopee Pay and GoPay digital wallets is to make easier for the people who use to the Gojek application and Shopee in transaction when only shopping. Next, you know what? Pay later. Pay later definition about shopping now and pay later or credit. By 2000 and 2021, the level of financial inclusion at Indonesia is still low. Therefore, President Jokowi encouraged financial institutions, especially banks, to hold the number program increase financial inclusion. President Joko Widodo has given target related to Indonesia's financial inclusion rate is expected to rise to 90% in 2024 to come. And the next, I explain market strategy with cashless payment. The rise of online shopping with marketing strategy carried out by e-commerce Shopee makes user of the application aggressively hunt for promo profit that the method must be used Shopee Pay payment. So, Nordstrom says allowed e-commerce user who use more than one wallet digital, Shopee Pay get the high market share of 68%, then OVO 62%, then 54%, and the next GoPay 53%, and Link aja to 8%. The use of digital payment system is soaring. Based on the research result, 56% of users, the Gojek application becomes better understand how to use the product digital-based finance are by transaction non-cash. And this is the feature of inclusive economics in Indonesian, and presentes respondent to use pay later on application Gojek and ShopeePay. So, formulation of the problem. I explain for formulation of the problem based of the research of this research. The first, is there any influence with the marketing strategy on the Shopee and Gojek application on impulse buying when shopping online? And the next, is there an increase in financial inclusion with the existence of digital payment system using ShopeePay and GoPay? And the third, can you get ShopeePay and GoPay make people perspective prefer payment non-cash? And the last, what are the factors that cause Shopee and Gojek application user to behave in impulse buying when shopping online? And so, I explain of the research purpose in this test proposal consists of the first, to find out and examine the effect of marketing strategies on impulse buying when shopping online on the Shopee and Gojek application. And the two, to find out and examine the effect of increased financial inclusion when using a digital payment system with ShopeePay and GoPay. And the third, to determine the effect of cashless payment and pay later on financial inclusion and impulse buying. And the last, to find out and examine what factor cause Shopee and Gojek application use here to behave impulse buying when shopping online. Okay, this is a chapter 2. The chapter 2, I'm explain consists of literature review, correlation influence variable, and formulation hypothesis, and then results study relevant. Okay, this is literature review. You know what? The things that underlie buyer buying behavior in an impulse buy or impulse buying are based on discount, cashback, free shipping voucher, attractive product display, attractive product packaging, and suggestion from customer, the buyer to shop when there is day national shopping in a commerce application. This is literature review about impulse buying. You know what? About definition, conceptual definition. Conceptual definition of impulse buying is an act of buying that is made without prior planning. Impulse buying is when buyers behave to buy spontaneously without planning or suggesting they want to buy. Impulse buying indicator of consists first price discount, and the next lifestyle and hedonism, consumptive display psychological, and the last product depression reliever. So, based on the conclusion of previous research that impulse buying is an act of purchasing directly, a plan that arises from the heart or minds of buyer or consumer when they see goods that is being discounted or because of an urge heart suddenly. Okay, of the next. Okay, the next, financial inclusion. Conceptual definition. Do you know about financial inclusion is an effort to eliminate all forms of barrier, both preach and non-preach, on access to public service in utilizing formal financial institutions. Based on the conclusion of previous research, financial inclusion is an effort to eliminate all forms of barriers, both praise and non-praise, to access to public service in utilizing formal financial institutions. What is the purpose of this financial inclusion? Yes, for the purpose of the financial inclusion are country economic to avoid inequality economy, and then financial inclusion is one of the national development strategy. So according to the research mentioned, financial inclusion is influenced by technological development. They analysis 40 country on the African continent and analyzing how economic development can affect inclusion finance in a country. So financial inclusion indicator are available access of formal financial service, and then quality of financial service, welfare of financial service, actual use of financial service products. And the next slide, I'll explain inclusion finance Indonesia is still low. You look the picture in this slide. If there is increased financial inclusion, it can even out the economy in Indonesia, especially MSME sector, eradicate poverty and increase social mobility. The low level of financial inclusion in Indonesia, survey the last report by the World Bank in 2014, showed that Indonesia financial inclusion was only 36%. This means that out of 100 Indonesian adults, only 36 people will have account with financial institution for months. And then in Indonesia, the level of financial inclusion is still low, which has negative impact on various aspects. So indicators that are used as a reference for the level of financial inclusion: number of ATMs, number of banks office, and density of banks office in an area. Okay, in the next, I will explain for marketing strategies. Conceptual definition. That marketing strategy is a plan which describes a company expectation of the impact of various marketing activity or program on product and land requests in specific target market. The form of marketing strategy is an advertising, publication, sales promotion, and personal selling. The marketing program include marketing action that can affect the demand for product, including in terms of change price, modifying advertising campaign, designing special promotion, determine of the choice of distribution channel, and the marketing mix is wise that's conscious of product price, promotion, and distribution, in which there are two benefits from the point of view of the seller and the buyer. If the buyer can later determine the level of marketing success. Okay, and the next marketing strategy are product, bridge, promotion, pledge, people, physical evidence, and then process. So, in a research journal that according to Marcus in Umar, strategy as a precious determinant of the plans of top leader that focus on long-term goals, length of an organization accompanied by the preparation of method of effort to achieve this goal. In the next, I will explain for the next variable, which is cashless payment. You know what? Cashless payment. Definition about cashless payment. Cashless payment are financial transactions that are carried out without involving your currency, such as demand deposit and checks, but using electronic menus, such as transactions through automated teller machines, debit cards, credit cards, as well as transactions using high technology, such as banking, commerce, or payments. And then cashless payment is cashless society refers to the initiative of the central bank to convert cash instrument into cash instrument non cash on daily economic activity. In 2010, the number of electronic money transactions only reached 60 million unit with a total transaction of uh, 693 billion until 2019, the number of electronic money transaction uh, reach reach three one times to 2005 million units with a transaction value of 903 to 85 trillion, citing research. Cashless payment consists of ShopeePay and GoPay. ShopeePay is an electronic money service that is used on online payment method in the Shopee application, offline at ShopeePay merchant, and to store refund organized by PT iPay International Indonesia, which is a subsidiary of Shopee in Indonesia. And the next, GoPay. GoPay is an electronic wallet, which is a manifestation of non-cash payment to store Gojek credit, which can be used to pay for transaction. And the last, pay later. Do you know pay later? Pay later is an alternative payment method that adopts an online installment system without the need for payment credit card. Several platforms are certainly starting to adopt a lot of credit cardless installment technology. And this is picture of the presentation respondent used to application pay later at application Shopee and Gojek. And then this is picture Shopee Pay Later on application Shopee. And the next, I will to explain relevant research. For the first, research conduct Duran and Latif and Fahmi and Azhari in the year 2000 and 2002 found that ease of use was significant. And the next, based on the result of research had likely, it can be concluded that the digital payment system is a fairly effective payment option. Many customers choose payment by using a non-cash or cashless payment system as payment method. And the next story, in the year 2019, in the research suggests that the attractiveness of promotion or perception or confidence have a significant effect on interest using GoPay, a wallet, and Link Aja. And the next, the research conduct in the 2090 can be conduct that the research result prove that promotion has a positive and significant. Okay, and the next, I will explain formulation hypothesis. This is formulation hypothesis are there are influence of marketing strategy or impulse buying. And there is influence of marketing strategy on cashless payment and pay later. And there is influence of cashless payment and pay later on impulse buying. So there is an influence marketing strategy or includes parents. And then there is influence of cashless payment and pay later of financial inclusion. And the last, there is an influence of marketing strategy with cashless payment and pay later against influence buying and financial exclusion. Okay, look at that, the picture. This is picture of the correlation connection variable. Yes, this is correlation connection variable, the picture. And the last chapter, I will explain to chapter 3. Chapter 3 consists our methodology study, time and place study, population and sample, and technical analysis data, and the next design study. Time and the place study. The research was conducted in DKI Jakarta, namely in the area of South Jakarta, East Jakarta, West Jakarta, and North Jakarta, especially in the area of office, university, or school. The time of the research at March 2000 and 2022. And this is research quantitative data or primer. And then of the respondents are Shopee and Gojek user who have used cashless or non-cash payment and pay later in DKI Jakarta. And the last, in the research using the questionnaire as data collection tools. And the next, I will explain to technical data analysis. This is the test requirements analysis. Consists are normality test, linearity test, and classic assumption test, multi-collinear test, heterogeneity test, and equation analysis, multiple regression, coefficient test, multiple correlation, and then coefficient test determination. So the last technical data analysis is hypothesis testing. Consists are uji test and uji test. Uji test T and uji test F. So this is my test proposal seminar by me. I think this is all. Thank you and see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you.